coming out of its side.
Maybe I loves his home. Do you know wizards? Do you know?
Is he injured?
Dada, do you know wizards can bite people with his sharp
like what's-
horns?
Oh,
Like an axolotl?
好似受咗傷喎呢隻。
Can you
Dada,
see right
It
there?
looks like it's injured.
maybe there's a mosquito on him.
Oh, and look how he's like moving like so much.
Whoa, it's moving.
Well, it will cure itself, right?
Do you,
I don't-
do
maybe.
you know? Do you know this pool? It was big, and in that fountain pool with all the fountains on it, and this one with is not.
It's
very,
time for
very small right there. This
swimming.
one.
I'm gonna keep this poofy in. I want to like tuck this in because it's like really.
So cold.
Hey, hey.
Oh. Oh. Ooh. Look at that, Wade.
There we go.
Look at that.
Hey, get some bird.
Guys, so scared. But it's better now. Have fun in the pool.
One splash coming right up.
Ah! Are we having fun?
Gabriel, you see it, right? Right there. Right there. Right there.
It's a big one.
Where?
Right there. Gabe.
Whoa.
Oh, it was taking a bath. It's all wet.
Oh.
Here, you want me to?
Oh my goodness, it's so cool. And it won't go away.
Gabriel, look up. Can you see it now?
Wow.
Can you see it now or no?
Ah.
You see it? It took a bath.
Bye.
You know how to
Today
take a
we are
picture.
going for
The
a
orange
hike.
button and
Where are
the
we now?
OK button.
Painted Hills Trail.
We haven't done this before. Say hi.
Get the camera down.
Starting to
Get the
get
camera.
really hot, but
Okay,
I think we are going to walk only for an hour. And there are lots of flowers here.
Yeah.
It's like flowers blossom seasons. Oh yeah, these are flowers for this cactus. Like- this one is so tall. So rocky. Is it a rocky road? Ow. Gabriel, say hi.
Hi.
Look at me. sunglasses and hats. You feel hot? Yeah.
That is a lot of flowers.
Oh yeah.
That they
So cute.
wonder how long
They all look like they have some hair.
Look at this, Dada. Look at this plant.
That's called brittle bush.
Mm.
Brittle bush. Yeah.
This is called prickly pear cactus, and in summertime they blossom and there's really nice
Springtime.
flowers. Oh, springtime. This plant expert just corrected me. Yeah, these flowers are pretty cute. It doesn't happen all the time, but now is the season. So pretty. This is what happens if you walk or hike with a kid. He said he wants to go back. Actually, me too. It's so hot. It's only 11 in the morning, but it's just like so hot. This is the desert life.
Maybe 20 more minutes. Alright, do you want to ride?
Hold my hat, Mama.
Wait, put it on your head so you're
No,
protected from
you
the sun.
need a hat for protection. This is what happened.
I can't do it. I can't have both things.
Oh, okay.
What are we doing now?
We are eating and playing.
This is the restaurant on the way, and then we are having lunch in somewhere called Sausage Deli.
Where Papa worked 40 years ago. Did I tell you that, Gabriel? Papa used to work in this restaurant when he was my age. Yeah.
He bought this board game. Reuben sandwich.
What?
Robin sandwich.
Reuben.
Reuben sandwich. French fries.
How do you not know? I was on Morty's for 7 years and our team name was the Reubens.
I don't know. Suddenly in front of the camera, I don't know what to say. And you got meatball sauce.
Meatball sauce. Are the fries pretty hot?
What's that?
What name did Papa have?
Oh, yeah. And I see durian. Durian, $24. good?
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Smile.
This is pretty good. This is green tea with
Smile.
lots of rice cake
Mama.
boba.
Can you refill, please?
You go play. We are going to have a brunch here, and while we're waiting for seats, we find this cornhole game outside the restaurant. You flow into the hole.
You from
Can I have one? I throw it.
then try with a flip.
I don't know what he's doing. He's not playing. Just walking around. Can I have one?
And I
Bagel. OK。我掉啦。唔使，唔好行過去。1、2、3。Yay! I got in. 掉啊。Not bad. Take some footage.
Sure.
Say hello.
Hello. We're going to have a beautiful night for Tim's birthday.
No. Oh yeah. What does it say?
for you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Thank you for Marian.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Whoops. Oh, be careful.
Ouch.
You gave me that wonderful gift of that event I went to last
This is
week.
for you.
Oh, well, thank you. And
Happy
wonderful-
birthday.
Oh, you're so sweet.
By me, won't you stand? Stand by me. If the sky we look upon should tumble and fall,
Gabriel, what are we going to have?
Korean. We're in this market from Arizona.
Oh, yeah. We are going to have some Asian food.
Yeah, we're having Asian rice and,
And
all kinds of.
You just had some dumplings, right?
Yeah.
And we're hungry.
Korean dumplings.
Yes. And can you drink? Hold it.
you know,
Try what?
Try it.
like
Oh, a shark.
There are no spines on it.
yeah, that's a
Look at
fun.
the tummy and the neck. It's so pretty. It's like turquoise.
What the?
And you are so big. Bye.